Hello everyone, welcome to another video of HackerRank solutions for C programming language by Coders Daily. And in this particular video, we are going to solve another uh, problem known as for loop in C, right? So let's just start with reading the problem statement. Okay, so in this challenge, basically what HackerRank is asking us is to get a basic understanding of how for loop works, right? Also, with for loop, the problem statements ask us to apply some conditional statement together with the for loop, right? So I'll just explain you how things are needed to be coded over here, right? So basically what they want is they are giving us an input n, right? So the input would be n over here, and this n could be a number between 1 and 9. Okay, so if a number is between 1 and 9, what we need to do is we need to just identify that number and print an alphabetical word to that particular number. So let's just say if the number is 1, we need to print 1. If the number is 2, we need to print 2. But this thing we need to only do till the number is less than 9 and greater than or equals to 1, right? And then there is another second condition, which is the else if condition, wherein if the number n is greater than 9, we need to first check if it is an even number. If it is even, we'll just print even. If the number is odd number, we'll just print odd number. So let's just directly jump into the problem, right? So this is the range wherein we need to run the for loop, right? So the for loop will start with the number a and will end till b. Okay, so let's start coding. Okay, int for int I equals to a, because we need to start the loop from a, run it till b, and do I plus plus. Okay, inside for loop, first of all, I'll just run this particular, like I'll just code this particular condition wherein the number is between 1 and 9, right? So if I is equals to 1, right, printf 1, right? Else if I is equals to 2, printf 2, right? I'll just put semicolon over here and here also, right? So these are the two things which I have done. Right now I'll just copy paste this else if 6 7 times more. Else if the I is 3, I'll just write 3 over here. Else if I is equals to 4, I'll just write 4 over here. Again paste it. If I is equals to 5, I'll just write 5. Else if I is equals to 6, we'll print 6 over here. Else if I is equals to 7, we'll just print 7 over here. Yeah. Else if I is equals to 8, I'll print 8 over here. If I is equals to 9, I'll print 9. But now here is the twist, right? If the number is greater than 9, right, what I'll need to do is I need to check if I is divisible by 2 and is equals to 0, right? So this is the condition for even numbers. So if it is even, what I'll do is I'll just print even, else I'll just print f odd. So this is it. We are done with our solution. Okay, so till here we are checking if the number is 9. If the number is not 9, because we have already covered 1 to 9. So if any other number is coming up, it won't be 9. Okay, we'll just check if I is divisible by 2, equals to 0, and printf even, else odd. I'll just run this code and see if all the test cases are passing. So the test cases expected output was 8, 9, 7 and odd, right? So one thing I have missed out is I have not given the line break, right? So I'll just need to give line break everywhere. Line break, line break. Okay. So the my output was coming in a single line, while the HackerRank wanted it to be in the separate lines. So line break, line break, line break, line break, and line break. Again, I'll run this code. Now it is coming up correctly. Sample test case is running. I'll just submit this code. Great. So all of the test cases are running. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and other types of programming videos too. Thank you so much.